Hi everyone, I am Dr. R. Soumya, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Today we are going to see the subject IoT based system design and the topic characteristics of Internet of Things. On completion of this video, students will be able to understand the characteristics of Internet of Things. The first characteristics is the connectivity. Connectivity is the important requirement of the IoT infrastructure. Things of the IoT should be connected to the IoT infrastructure. Anyone, anywhere, anytime can connect. This should be guaranteed at all times. For example, the connection between the people through the internet devices like mobile phones and other gadgets also. A connection between the internet devices such as routers, gateways, sensors, etc. Next characteristics is intelligence and identity. The extraction of knowledge from the guaranteed data is very important. For example, a sensor generates the data, but data will only be useful if it is interpreted properly. Each IoT device has a unique identity. This identification is helpful in tracking the equipment and at times for querying its status. Next one is the scalability. The number of elements connected to the IoT zone is increasing day by day. Hence, an IoT setup should be capable of handling the massive expansion. The data generation as an outcome is enormous and it should be handled appropriately. Next one is the dynamic and self-adapting. IoT devices should dynamically adapt themselves to changing contexts and the scenarios. Assuming a camera meant for surveillance, it should be adaptable to work in different conditions and different light situations. Next one is the architecture. So IoT architecture cannot be homogeneous in nature. It should be hybrid, supporting different manufacturers' products to function in the IoT network. IoT is not owned by any one engineering branch. IoT is a reality when the multiple domains come together. Next one is the safety. There is a danger of the sensitive personal details of the user getting compromised when all his devices are connected to the internet. This can cause a loss to the users. Hence, data security is the major challenge here. Besides, the equipment involved is huge. IoT networks may also be a risk. Therefore, the equipment safety is also critical. Self-configuring. This is one of the most important characteristics of IoT. IoT devices are able to upgrade their software in accordance with requirements with the minimum of user participation. Additionally, they can set up the network, allowing for the addition of new devices to the already existing network. Next one, interoperability. IoT devices use a standardized protocol and technologies to ensure they can communicate with each other and other systems. Interoperability is one of the key characteristics of Internet of Things. It refers to the ability of different IoT devices and systems to communicate and exchange the data with each other regardless of the underlying technology or manufacture. Thank you.